Yo, we're back at it again. We're on the way to the shop so we can finish breaking down that engine, and then after that, we'll probably do some deep cleaning and go from there. So let's make it happen. Greetings. I said I was coming in early.
That's what it said.
What? There you go. It's loose. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, see.
Oh shit, yeah, I remember now. Yeah, I remember you actually in the... Definitely does. Yeah, so... That by itself would be good. Yeah, I have legend shocks on my dyno. Well, one of them, the shock body ended up... It was leaking a little bit, but yeah, I popped them off, sent them a picture, and they're like, yeah.
And there you have it, is a bare H22A block. So I didn't really film all the little intricate things that were going on, but I just got all of this stuff out of there, that stuff. Got my crank propped up over here. Not gonna drop it or knock it over. And then probably gonna send this off to the machine shop, get it tanked so clean real nicely. Also just get it machined and ready for rebuild. So the tear down is complete, and there you have it.